Nueva just launched and it's a ground floor network marketing opportunity. Let's talk about what it is and what it's not, right? And so, if you are watching this video right now, I am recording it. It is the end of June. And as of a few days ago, Nueva launched with their founders kits, which include two of our products that we will be launching. One of them being called Body, Nueva Body. It is a peptide blend that incorporates both sloop and 5 aminos. So it's a blend of two peptides, which makes it really, really unique and really, really different. Because if you were to go and buy these peptides, you can't really find the blend. You actually have to take two of them together, right? Now, there's different types of peptides. There are oral ones, there are injectable ones. These are oral peptides. They are medical grade peptides. And like I said, this one is Body and it comes with the sloop and the 5 aminos. Now, if you want to get more information about the peptides, definitely make sure you like and follow this channel. If you're like, oh my God, this sounds amazing, in the description of this video, I have got for you a way to contact me so that you can get your hands on it. But if you're interested in the business side of things, that is what we launched right now in the month of June. And so that founder's kit comes with a several month supply of the Nueva Body. It also comes with our hydrogen nitric oxide water that I'm super excited about. I've actually been a secret tester of it and it is fantastic. So it's hydrogen water that also has nitric oxide, which is so good. It has given me more energy, more clarity, more focus. I've been able to absolutely crush my workouts because of them. And it's just like that morning fog gets like lifted when you take your first sip and you finish your packets, right? So it comes with that. Like I said, in the description of this video, if you want to learn more about the business side of things, definitely make sure you contact me. It's a ground floor opportunity. And what I love about Nueva and what makes it so different than the traditional network marketing space is we actually have a dual-sided comp plan. What does that mean? That means that the dual-sided comp plan has one side. Think about it as an affiliate side, right? Where you can earn up to 40% commission on all of your orders and your repeat orders from your customer. You don't need to have a team. You can hit the top ranks. You can be recognized. You can earn the incentive trips, all of it, right? Walk the stages, all of it that your traditional network marketing company has at conventions, but you don't need to have a team in order to be successful. In most network marketing companies, what happens is you kind of cap out unless your team is successful. Well, over here at Nueva, which is a very similar business model to the one Modere that shut down. The Nueva founders are a lot of the Modere leaders. I was able to have people on my team that actually made a lot more than I did because they earned it was 36% commission on all of their sales. And we had women that were selling anywhere between $50,000 and $100,000 personally on my team, and they earned 36% commission. But over here at Nueva, they're going to earn 40% commission. So you can do the math and know that they make a substantial income based on their own sales, right? So there's the affiliate side of the comp plan over there, over at Nueva. Then we have the traditional network marketing side, which is the team building side of the network marketing. It's more of the reoccurring income that comes in off of your downline, right? And that's more, like I said, the traditional network marketing where you hit the ranks based on your team's volume and their overall volume. Now, Nueva's comp plan is very advantageous and different because of the sales side, but it also pays many levels deep and it's a unilevel network marketing comp plan. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that. So it's not a binary, it is a unilevel. And it is a ground floor opportunity. So again, in the description of this video, I'm going to leave for you way to contact me so that we can connect and see if it's either the products that you're interested in or the business side of things, right? We are also going to be launching with Nueva Travel, which I'm super excited about. This is a travel membership. I've actually been able to, as a top leader, dive into the platform, look at some of the savings and the discounts, and let me tell you, they are substantial. So what I love about Nueva is we are going to have digital products that are like the wave and the thing of the future, right? With a travel membership with significant savings, but we're also going to have a health and wellness side of it too. So if you're like, well, I really love the idea of what Nueva has to offer, but I don't necessarily want to sell health and wellness, fantastic. We have the travel side of things as well. And I'm super excited about that. And it, at the time of making this video, it's launching tomorrow. So by the time you see this, you'll be able to get your hands on the travel membership as well. What I can tell you is that the travel membership also has um, lots of different ways to book your travel, right? Um, they have Airbnbs, or they have homes, big homes that are available at a discounted place. They have curated trips that are available for you. They have timeshares that didn't get used, and they also have your traditional hotel. And I have dug into the savings, and I don't just take anything for face value. I make sure that I do my research. I look at all the different websites. I look at, the travel websites that, it might be comparing to, just to make sure that the prices are the same. And let me tell you, on one vacation, I saved, if I would have booked that trip, same hotel, apples to apples, the dates, you name it, I would have saved $400 just on that one trip. So if you travel more than once or twice a year, it's going to pay for itself, right? And I love that it's giving people and families the opportunity to make experiences, which is so, so important in today's age. So again, in the description of this video, if you're listening to this, you're like, I want to know more about New Wave of Travel. I want to know more about the peptides. I want to, more about the business side of things. I've got a way for you to contact me over on my social media channel, over on Facebook. So definitely make sure you message me. I'm happy to share more information. Things are changing very, very quickly. I shouldn't say changing, they're evolving very quickly, because we are a ground floor opportunity, because we have just launched. And so it is a wild, crazy ride, but the potential is fantastic. And so far, it has been super duper smooth. And I'm so excited for what's to come. My team is crushing it. They're enrolling people. People are super excited about the products, the peptides, the hydrogen nitric oxide water. We've got, the snow collagen that's launching here too. We've got a lot of things in the pipeline, and it's only going to get better. So if you're one of those people that are interested in a ground floor network marketing opportunity, definitely make sure you message me over on Facebook. I'm also going to leave for you a link over here on how I've been able to hit the top ranks of my company, so that you can have success also, and you can have the mentorship of me, one of the top leaders who's been in this space for 12 years as well. So again, this is Julie Reynolds with another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. We will see you next week.